Hi everyone, today I'm here to discuss a critical environmental health issue that has profound consequences on the town of Libby, Montana. My presentation aims to unpack the complex layers of this disaster, examine the causes, the devastating health impacts, governmental responses, and the aftermath. And here is a table of contents. Libby, Montana, once known for its lush landscapes, was home to vermiculite mine operated by W.R. Grace and Company from 1923 to 1990. Vermiculite from Libby was contaminated with amphibole asbestos, leading to one of the most severe cases of industrial poisoning in American history. The fibers from the mine contaminated the air, water, and soil, leading to widespread health problems among its residents. The root cause of the contamination was extracting the vermiculite. Not only were the mining operation inherently dusty, but the lack of adequate safety protocols under minimum regulatory oversight allowed this asbestos dust to permeate the town of Libby. And here is the geographic of Libby. Our story begins in the early 20th century, but significant events include: in 1919, the mine officially closed, yet the legacy of asbestos lingered. By 1999, the widespread contamination was fully realized, and in 2002, the area was designated a Superfund site. The first public health emergency declared by EPA occurred in 2009, a critical step that highlights the severity of this situation. The primary toxin released by the Libby asbestos contamination was asbestos fibers, especially amphibole asbestos fibers such as tremononite, actinolite, and others. These fibers are known categories and can cause severe health issues, including asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma when inhaled or ingested. The health consequences of this disaster was heart-wrenching. From 1935 to 1981, we saw a stark increase in asbestos-related diseases in white male vermiculite workers. This pie chart shows the prevalence of lung cancer and other asbestos-included illness among the population. And we can see in the chart, the lung cancer has 64.3%. This line chart shows that as the duration exposure decreases, people will have less chance to getting lung cancer. Over these years, the air once filled with promise of prosperity was now a career of disease and death. This bar chart shows WRG workers has a 70% chance to have a lung cancer based on the data collected from 2000 to 2016. In response, the government undertook significant interventions. The EPA's designation of Libby as a Superfund site initiated a series of cleanup efforts. Federal funding was allocated, homes were remediated, and community health clinics was established. The social-economic aftermath of the disaster was profound. Property values plummeted, and the local economic suffered. However, community resilience shone through. Networks of support was formed, and ongoing monitoring and health screening continue to these days, ensuring that the lessons learned are not forgotten. However, as this figure shows, the rescue officials needed to take their mask on when they dealt with the aftermath of disaster. BNSF Railway says they did not know about the asbestos that killed hundreds in Montana town. This picture clearly shows the disaster caused by the asbestos emission events. In conclusion, the story of Libby is one of resilience in the face of adversity. It's a sobering reminder of the need for cooperative responsibility and stringent regulatory oversight. As we move forward, let us remember the lesson of Libby, not just to honor these affected, but to prevent such a disaster from ever happening again. And this is my reference. Thank you for watching.